Okay, today I will take the second unit, that is the single entry system conversion. Conversion of single entry system to double entry system. I think you all studied single entry system of bookkeeping in your PUC first year commerce. Okay, in your accountancy, PUC first year accountancy, there was a chapter single entry system of bookkeeping. In the single entry system of bookkeeping, I think you studied what is single entry system of bookkeeping, what are the features of single entry system of bookkeeping, then what are the types of single entry system, then what are the features, advantages and disadvantages of single entry system, then who use the single entry system of bookkeeping. All these aspects you have studied in your PUC first year accountancy. Okay. So simply I highlight the whatever you studied in your PUC first year class. Before going to the conversion of single entry to double entry system, I would like to call back you people to the single entry system of bookkeeping, what you studied in your PUC first year class. Okay, what is single entry system of bookkeeping? Single entry system of bookkeeping is the system of bookkeeping where the double entry system of bookkeeping is not applicable to all the transactions of the business concern. Okay, if the double entry system of bookkeeping is not applicable to all the transactions of the business concern, then that is called a single entry system of bookkeeping in general. So, single entry system of bookkeeping is the method of maintaining the accounts where a trader maintains the accounts in a manner convenient to him. A trader maintains the accounts in a manner convenient to him where the double entry system of bookkeeping is not applicable to all the transactions. That is called as single entry system of bookkeeping. Okay, and this system is called as unscientific method, inaccurate and unsatisfactory. This system is called as unscientific because there is no science at all. There is no systematized body of knowledge in the single entry system of bookkeeping because a trader maintains the account in a manner convenient to him. Therefore, it is called as unscientific. And it is inaccurate or it is incomplete form of double entry system because some transactions are recorded on double entry system base and some transactions are recorded under the single entry system. Therefore, it is called as inaccurate and incomplete also. And thirdly, we call as unsatisfactory. The system of single entry system is unsatisfactory because the system is incomplete form. Single entry system is a incomplete form of double entry system. Therefore, it is not satisfactory. The people or outsiders will not satisfy with the accounts maintained under the single entry system of bookkeeping. This is the meaning I think you studied in your PUC first year class. And in the single entry system of bookkeeping, there are three methods. There are three types of single entry system. The three types of single entry system are: one is pure single entry system, second is simple single entry system, and third is quasi single entry system. There are three methods of single entry system or types of single entry system. There are three types. First is pure single entry system. Pure single entry system. First one. Second is simple single entry system. And third is quasi single entry system. Third is quasi single entry system. What is pure single entry system? In the pure single entry system, a trader maintains only one book for the purpose of recording the transaction related with trade debtors and trade creditors. Only one book is maintained, that is called as pure single entry system. And second is simple single entry system. In the simple single entry system, a trader maintains two books. A trader maintains two books. One is for recording the trade debtors and trade creditors. Another is for the recording cash transaction. One is cash book, another is subsidiary book, debtors and creditors. So, if a trader maintains two books, that is called as simple single entry system. And third is quasi single entry system. Quasi single entry system means a trader maintains more than two books, but not all the subsidiary books. A trader maintains more than two subsidiary books, but not all the subsidiary books. That is called as quasi single entry system. It is near to double entry system of bookkeeping, but not a double entry system of bookkeeping because all the books are not maintained. Okay. Pure single entry system, one book. Simple single entry system, two books. And quasi single entry system, more than two books, but not all the books. This is the types of single entry system you already studied. Then we come to the features of single entry system. What are the features of single entry system? First feature, I would like to say that all the transactions relating to the business are recorded in a single effect. Single effect. Okay. And so single entry system may be defined as a system in which accounting records are kept strictly according to the double entry system, not strictly according to the double entry system. Remember this point. Not strictly according to the double entry system, that is called as single entry system of bookkeeping. Okay. And there are three types of single entry system. One is pure single entry. Second is simple single entry. And third is quasi single entry system, as already explained. Then come to the features of this single entry system. The first feature of single entry system is the system is followed by sole proprietor firms and partnership firms. This single entry system is followed by a sole proprietors or the partnership firms who are not having the necessity of maintaining the double entry system of bookkeeping. Means these are the peoples, small traders who are not having the necessity of double entry system of bookkeeping. Because the double entry system of bookkeeping is essential where their income crosses the taxable limit. Whenever the business income increases the taxable limit or crosses the taxable limit, then the double entry system of bookkeeping is essential because the income tax department always asks the double entry system of bookkeeping. Therefore, The small traders use this single entry system of bookkeeping. This is followed by small traders, means a proprietorship business or by the partnership for business. The companies cannot follow this system. The single entry system is not followed by the joint stock companies because they have to prepare the accounts according to the rules and regulations of the company law. This is the first feature. And second feature is, under this method, only cash book is maintained with mix-up of both private and business transactions. Only some subsidiary books are maintained, not all the subsidiary books. Only cash book is maintained to record the cash transactions. The cash transaction may be related to business or it may be related to personal activity of the trader. Okay, the cash book. And they maintains the another book for the purpose of recording the trade debtors and trade creditors, means personal accounts. Personal accounts related with the trade debtor and trade creditors are recorded, and other trade personal accounts also not kept or maintained. Okay, this is the second one. And third feature of the single entry system is it is unsystematic method of recording the transaction. There is no science at all. Systematic record is not there because according to the manner convenient to a particular trader. In a manner convenient to a particular trader, he maintains the accounts. Not application of systematic methods, principles, etc. Therefore, this method is called as unsystematic method of recording the transactions. And generally, you remember, records of cash transactions, personal accounts of and personal accounts are properly maintained. Personal accounts relating to trade debtors and trade creditors are maintained, and there is no information regarding the revenue or gains, expense or incomes, assets and liabilities. You make 3 to 5 points in this point. This point is the only one feature. In this feature, you may make 3 to 4 features. The first feature is only cash transactions are recorded. Next feature is personal accounts of the related with trade debtors and creditors are maintained. Revenue items are not recorded. Revenue means incomes and gains are not recorded. Expenses and losses are not recorded. Transaction related to the assets are not recorded. Transaction related with liabilities also not recorded. Like this, you make so many points. Okay. And next is personal transactions of owner may also recorded in the cash book. Sometimes a trader maintains cash book for recording the business transaction and also the his personal transactions. That is the future of single entry system. Okay, this is the future of single entry system, and advantages of single entry system are very limited. I will explain 2 to 3 advantages or merits of single entry system, and I will tell you 2 or 3 disadvantages of single entry system. The first advantage of single entry system is it is the easy and less expensive. The first advantage or for first and foremost advantage is it is very easy and less expensive because the trader maintains the books according to the requirement of his business. Okay, in a manner convenient to him, he maintains the accounts. Therefore, it is very simple and very less expensive. This is the first advantage. And second advantage is it is applicable to small business concerns. Small business concerns. And third advantage is there is no delay in record keeping. There is no delay in maintaining the accounts. As and when the transaction takes place, they record the transaction. Therefore, these are the three advantages I'd like to tell you for your 2 marks question. And regarding disadvantages, the first disadvantage is it is the incomplete form of accounting. So incomplete form is not accepted by the public. First disadvantage. And second disadvantage is unscientific and inaccurate. This method is unscientific method. Second disadvantage. And third is it is inaccurate method. It is inaccurate method. And it is not possible to calculate exact profit or loss under this method. It is not possible to know the exact business value. It is not possible to value the business. Okay. And misappropriation frauds may be more. Like this, you write 3 to 5 disadvantages regarding this single entry system of bookkeeping. Okay. Single entry system of bookkeeping. So you remember regarding single entry system scheme about what is single entry system, what are the types of single entry system, then 5 features of single entry system, 2 merits of single entry system, and 5 demerits of single entry system. It is enough for your theory purpose. Okay. Then what is the necessity of conversion of single entry to double entry system of bookkeeping? The main requirement of conversion of single entry system to double entry system is the drawbacks of single entry system of bookkeeping. The single entry system of bookkeeping is having so many drawbacks. To overcome the drawbacks of single entry system of bookkeeping, the businessmen convert the single entry to double entry system of bookkeeping, or the double entry system of bookkeeping is having lot of advantages. So a trader wants to have the advantages. The trader wants to enjoy the advantages of double entry system of bookkeeping. Therefore, a trader introduced the double entry system by converting single entry to double entry system of bookkeeping. Okay. This is the introduction regarding the conversion of single entry to double entry system of bookkeeping. Then what is the conversion of single entry to double entry system of bookkeeping? My topic starts from here. Whatever I already explained, that is the introduction. Whatever I already explained, that is introduction, and your syllabus starts from here. What is single entry system of bookkeeping? Sorry, conversion of single entry to double entry system. Conversion of single entry to double entry method involves converting the accounting form of single entry to the double entry system. Conversion of single entry to double entry means whatever single entry form of accounting is there, that is to be converted into double entry form. So the double entry bookkeeping is more reliable. We convert the single entry to double entry because the double entry system of bookkeeping is more reliable than the single entry system of bookkeeping. That the growing small business concerns need to adopt. You have to adopt the double entry system, and you have to enjoy the double entry system of bookkeeping advantages. So this system allows business owners to produce a document called trial balance. The double entry system of bookkeeping produces evidences to the public regarding the books of accounts. The trial balance may be presented or published to the general public. Balance sheet may be given to the general public. P&L accounting may be given to the general public, and it can show its accounts to the general public. So the double entry system of bookkeeping is having so many advantages. Therefore, to enjoy the advantages of double entry system of bookkeeping, a trader converts single entry to double entry system of bookkeeping. Okay. Then what are the objectives of conversion of single entry to double entry? The main objectives of single entry conversion of single entry to double entry are to find out the correct profit. In the single entry form of accounting, profit ascertained may not be a correct profit of the business concern. That may not be accurate profit of the business concern. Therefore, if you want to know the correct profit or accurate profit or reliable profit, then it is necessary to use double entry system of bookkeeping. Therefore, to find out the correct profit of the business concern, we adopt the double entry system of bookkeeping. We convert the single entry to a double entry system. Okay, we will see the remaining in the next tomorrow or next class. Your subject starts from conversion to double entry. So we will see the remaining part in the next class.